Enter the air impact wrench, which is also known as an air impact driver. This little tool puts phenomenal levels of power into your hands and allows you to undo and redo bolts super quickly. There are many products available to choose air impact wrenches, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air impact wrenches from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AirCat 1150 Killer Torque Wrench. If you want to know the standout feature of this pneumatic wrench, the clue is in the title. This tool is designed to kick out an incredible power level, and when AirCat calls this product a killer torque impact wrench, that's not an empty brag. A shade under 1,300 foot-pounds of loosening torque is a powerful application that should loosen even the tightest or rustiest bolts. This is backed up by up to 1,400 BPM blows per minute for an impact wrench of truly impressive power. This is in part due to the upgraded internal rotor, a full 15% bigger than on the previous version of this model. What we like about it? 1,295 feet-pound of loosening torque. 15% larger rotor. Extremely powerful. Very quiet. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand Air Impact Wrench. The first thing to note is that this is a premium tool and potentially one of the best air impact wrenches on our list. It also carries a premium price tag, ladies and gentlemen, so say hello to the most expensive item on our list. But what are you getting for all that money? Power. Raw power. 1,350 feet-pound of torque power, to be precise. Yes, it is expensive. It's also clearly the most powerful. That power is controlled across 4 settings, whereas most of the models only have up to 3. The extra power setting is required for more accurate control of such a high level of torque output. What we like about it? Max 1,350 feet-pound of torque. Compact and lightweight. 4x power settings. Titanium hammer case. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand 231C Air Impact Wrench. Ingersoll Rand has been producing power tools of various models and designs for over 100 years. It has learned a thing or two in that time, such as how to make a top-quality air wrench. This model, the 231C, has been on the market for 25 years, and it has a very attractive classic design. It has some useful features backing up that design, too. 600 feet-pounds of max torque may be a little lower than you will see on some other models, but it is still a respectable power output that will tackle all but the most fused over-tightened bolts. The tool makes use of a twin-hammer internal layout to deliver this power in such a small package. It is in fact less than 8 inches long and weighs less than 6 pounds. What we like about it? Twin-hammer mechanism. Easy-to-use power regulator. Ergonomic design. Built-in self-lubricating feature. Number 4. NitroCat Kevlar Composite Air Impact Wrench. This is the second cat-related power tool manufacturer to make our list, and we're only at tool number 3. What the connection is between cats and power tools we're not sure. What we do know is that this is a very well put together and well-designed air impact driver. The big eye-catcher is that it deploys Kevlar in its chassis construction. That's good to see because Kevlar is pretty cool. It's also extremely tough while being lightweight. It can kick out 1,295 max loosening torque, making this one of the more powerful models on the market. What we like about it? 1,295 feet-pound loosening torque. Well-placed exhaust pipe. Kevlar body construction. Number 5. Porter Cable Impact Wrench. This heavy-duty piece of equipment is a great addition to any handyman's tool collection. With its unrivaled impact and impeccable torque, the Porter Cable Impact Wrench is in a class of its own. One of its best features is the 7.5 amp motor that is embedded within it. This high-powered component makes it completely suitable for all the heavy-duty applications it can be used for. Yes, it is a little on the heavy side, but that is a little price to pay for the power that this device can deliver. In addition to that, it is equipped with 450 feet-pounds of torque, which comes in handy for the installation and removal of heavy fasteners. All this points to the fact that this is a heavy-duty piece of equipment that gets work done. Strength is not all it has on its side. For fast-speed applications, it offers up 2,200 rotations per minute and 2,700 blows per minute. The crowning glory here is the forward-reverse rocker switch, which is quite convenient. All in all, this product offers up unbelievable consistency every single time. What we like about it? It has a 1/2-inch hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. The wrench is designed for heavy-duty applications. Equipped with a forward-reverse rocker switch. Torque on the hands, while it is being operated, is minimal. Has a sturdy build and is relatively easy to use. Fitted with a 7.5 amp motor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.